A lot of fish. So we bring that bucket. We're gonna. কি 100 বছর? See, look at that. Look at here. Like all this fish right there. Oh my god. Hey John, it's like a lot of fish right here. See. Look at that. Yeah. It's a lot of fish. Look at here. হ্যাঁ আমি ওই যে ভিডিও সেন্ড করে দেবো না You know what is the call that birds? What's the name of this?
Seagull.
Seagull, right? You got it. Yes, auntie. এই যে গুড়া মাছ গুড়া মাছ এই যে ভিডিও করছে দেখেন ওই যে
What if I just put the kite there on the video and be like,
no, angling is.
What's the name of that net?
There's a net for like freehand net, like freehand, like it's a freehand. So you just cover it like thousands of fish together.
Does it take a while to get the hang of it?
It's not. It's just kind of like
Pretty easy?
little pretty easy.
Yeah,
Kaka,
this is easy. Yeah.
he can teach you if you want to see how
You
he
want
can,
to?
He
You
just
want it? How is throw this on? Okay,
you can
come
go
here.
if you want.
I saw somebody else.
Come.
Go ahead.
Come on.
You should to try that way. So for to using this for angling, you took like maybe long way time to get only for that only one time.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah. Hi.
well, there's not a group of fish.
So everybody love the angling, fishing. So he gonna try. Okay, you wanted to filming? You hold it. So he gonna show me how I wanna try how it work, and then I just throw it.
okay.
Just you wanna show.
All right.
Okay.
Look first. This one not messed up, okay?
Uh-huh.
Proper way.
Uh-huh.
Keep like that and put it hand
Uh-huh.
left or right, whatever.
Okay. So I'm gonna just do this one that way.
And then make sure one part. No,
Just-
not
just
heavy.
little
Not
bit
heavy.
for me, little bit.
That's
Okay.
it. Yourself is just loose like that. Throw.
And then I just throw like
yeah,
this,
like
right?
this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me I go that corner a little bit.
Mhm.
So you guys. Yeah.
Okay. And throw.
Okay. Once again. Ready? 1, 2.
Okay.
Not like you, that good one.
Good. That's okay. That's
This
fine.
one, right?
I see them. I see them.
Yeah, look at that. Woo! Hold nicely, uncle. আপনি ধরেন তো দেখি ও ধরতে পারতেছে কিনা। ও কি? Woo! 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 Come, you wanna hold it? Come, hold it. Come join. You gonna join with me? Yeah. Come, hold it. আস্তে আস্তে আমার হাত ধরো না। এই যে।
Yes.
Two. Wallah, Allah. Woo! Oh God. Oh, go. Make sure. Take it. Good. Take it one.
Put in this net.
It's slippery.
Take it the big one. Take it the big one. Hold it.
Big one?
Hold it. Yeah.
It's slipping off of me.
Oh God. Let it release again. Neck release all together.
I got it.
Oh.
Look, I got it.
I'm just trying to do that. Oh.
Yep. So like.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, fish.
Oh.
Fish.
Oh, no. 1 minute.
Fish. Yes. It's gonna go out of its nest.
Show that here.
Let's go. fishing.
ফালাই দাও
You had the right idea.
Right. See, it's a light of 4.
There's no more fish. No, I need the fishes.
যে লরে
এই যে শিখার অনেক
এটাও
কিছু
দেখেন।
আছে এটি বাঁচতে চায়
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এটা জুম করে একটু পানির মধ্যে থেকেও দেখান
হুম।
কাকা Oh, come on.
Look at me, I got a fish in
I put a bucket here. Oh God. It was really great time to being with that Osprey Park, which is in town of Brookhaven in Long Island. It was a lot of fun with the hangout with the family, and we flew also that kite and angling with the fishing. Let me see if any luck you got.
Trouble there.
You gonna fly kites? So guys, if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to answer for it. And please do subscribe and like that video. It helps out to create that motivation the videos. And I'll catch you the next one. Until then, peace.